Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ndengu stew. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need 1 cup of green grams, 1 onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 carrot, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. For spices, have 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and turmeric, plus salt, black pepper, and 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Now let's get started with the initial preparation. Begin by soaking your 1 cup of green grams overnight or for a minimum of 1 hour. After soaking, boil them in water until they are very soft, which usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Once cooked, drain any excess water and set the green grams aside. While they cook, chop your onion, mince the garlic, and grate the ginger. Next, it's time to build the rich flavors of your stew. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté it until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for about 1 minute until they are fragrant. Toss in your diced tomatoes and let them cook down until they form a thick, rich sauce. Finally, add 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander, and turmeric, mixing thoroughly to combine all the spices. Now let's bring it all together. Add your pre-boiled green grams to the pot, along with 2 cups of water or vegetable broth. Bring the stew to a boil, then reduce the heat, cover, and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Season your delicious Ndengu stew with salt and black pepper to your liking, and garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.